Johnson, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you a recipe that I love to cook for my Barry. Okay, let's begin. Here are a few of the ingredients that we'll be using to make this special recipe. Vinegar, a big battery, pesticide. Now we use this on our nails, but let's put it in this as well. A little bit of bleach. Lighter fluid. Rat poison. Again, put the whole box in. Some tar. Yes, tar. This will make your teeth a nice golden brown color. We love that, girls, don't we? Now make sure to stir well, because we want everything to get together. It looks delicious. Next step is to take out your battery, like so, and then add the rest of your mix to your tray. Now we have a nice crispy topping. We put this in the oven for about half an hour to get the great result. Now, with the cooking complete, here's the final result. Watch, this could be a little hot. Woo. And here's our cigarettes. Now with the recipe completed, you and your husband can enjoy this delightful treat that is addictive and will cause you lung cancer, throat cancer, gangrene, throat ulcers, gum disease, tooth decay, tooth rotting. Thank you for joining me, Betty Johnson, and I hope to see you next week. I'm going to enjoy my little treat.